As quantity surveyors, a crucial part of our job is making sure that the price is right, the value is accurate, and the cost is legit. One of the ways we achieve this is through benchmarking. Put simply, benchmarking is evaluating something by comparing it with something else. Through benchmarking, we as quantity surveyors can help determine if the amount we're looking at is correct. However, there are some important considerations when benchmarking to make sure it's done correctly. In this video, we'll explore how benchmarking is conducted and give you some tips on how to make sure it's done right. Before we begin, if you haven't already, why not hit the subscribe button so you never miss an upload? So how does benchmarking actually work? The benchmarking process starts by collecting reliable, standardized data, ideally from cost analysis where projects are broken down elementally using formats like RICS NRM or BCIS SFCA. This helps ensure you're comparing like with like. The goal is to compare projects that are similar in terms of type, size, procurement route, and specification. You can benchmark cost per square meter, per functional unit, or by element. But the cost isn't the only metric you should look at. Factors like NIA to GIA ratios, wall-to-floor ratios, carbon footprint, EPC ratings, and construction durations can all give insight into project efficiency and performance. Next, the data must be normalized. That means adjusting it for time and location. This is often done using location factors and tender price indices from the BCIS or other sector-specific indices. Without this adjustment, your benchmark results will be skewed and potentially misleading. Let's say you're advising an employer at stage 2 of the REBA plan of works. You'd benchmark against a range of similar projects to inform a realistic cost limit and assess the viability of different design options. Before we continue, I wanted to quickly tell you about Metroun Learning, our online training platform containing training modules, quizzes, and certificates, all counting to over 55 hours of formal CPD. Sign up today at metroun.co.uk. You also need to make sure that the data is used ethically. That means getting the employer's permission before using project data and anonymizing the results so specific clients or projects cannot be identified. Once you've analyzed the data, you can develop a target model. This is a benchmark cost profile that can be used to guide design and cost decisions moving forward. The best target models are broken down by element and show cost per meter squared, percentage distributions, and sensible variation ranges to reflect uncertainty and risk. Benchmarking is more than just a data exercise. It's a way of helping clients understand what good looks like and what can realistically be achieved. It supports cost planning, value engineering, and early stage decision making, giving the QS a stronger position to advise with confidence. So to wrap up, if you're benchmarking, start with standardized structured data, adjust for time and location, analyze the context, not just the numbers, anonymize and protect client data. Use it to set realistic value-driven targets. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.